Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by long pressing an empty area on the Huawei home screen until Edit controls show. This is the actual entry point. Once done, tap Widgets in the bottom strip to reveal available widgets. You choose the widget you want, press and hold it, then drag it to a free home screen spot. That places the widget. Make sure to place it on the main or a secondary page where you want quick access. After dropping the widget, lift your finger to anchor it. You should see handles or a grid to resize. You can drag edges or corners to expand or shrink the widget, which changes how much screen real estate it uses. If icons block space, move them aside. Huawei will auto-shift items to fit. Once sized, tap outside to commit. You will often need to test a couple sizes to balance visibility and home screen density. To finish, position widgets where you want and optionally lock the home layout in settings to avoid accidental changes. This keeps everything stable. If a widget is missing, make sure its app is installed and up to date, and check that the app is not restricted by power or background limits. If things still fail, restart the home launcher or reboot the phone. This clears transient issues and usually restores widget behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.